Hello, today let's learn what is the legal serve in table tennis. We will answer the question, do the professional players like Lin Kaoyuan or Ma Long make a legal serve or not? First of all, here are some basic rules of serving in table tennis. What is the legal serve in table tennis? You need to throw the ball up in the air at least 16 cm. You need to throw the ball near vertical, the angle is smaller than 30 degrees, and you cannot hide the contact moment by using any part of the body, head, arm, or shoulder. Here is the first example that Lin Kaoyuan has thrown the ball not vertically. The umpire said fault serve. Lin Kaoyuan challenged the decision, and the umpire showed the camera review system (TGR). The camera showed that Lin Kaoyuan has thrown the ball toward him. The angle is 52 degrees, which is not allowed. Here is the second example. The umpire said fault for Ma Long's serve. Ma Long didn't agree. He asked for the review system. Here is the same umpire in the example 1. She explained that Ma Long has hidden the ball with his head.
Out service hidden by face. Out service hidden by face.
Here is the review camera. The umpire is right. The trajectory of the ball is hidden by Ma Long's head, but not the contact point. I can see the contact point. Ma Long, after the match, has explained that the review camera is put high above the player. That is why he didn't agree with the review camera system. He said that at the player point of view, the player can see the contact point.
Review was unsuccessful. This is a system. This is a system.
Ma Long asked for help from the coach, and the coach didn't agree with the decision. So what is your opinion? I want to hear your opinion. In this example, Ma Long's serve is illegal, yes or no?